Feeling lost on your ride? Ever wish you could instantly whisper a request to your Uber driver? Let's dive into how you can effortlessly open the chat box within the Uber app during your ride, making communication a breeze. First, make sure your ride is in progress. The car icon shows you are currently riding in an Uber. Now, look at your app screen and find the chat icon. It is typically found in the bottom navigation bar alongside options like call. This is your magic button. Tap that chat icon. This action will open up the chat feature. Once the chat box opens, you will see a blank page. Now it is your call. Type your message. You can provide specific instructions or confirm anything the driver needs. For example, maybe you would like to be dropped off at a different entrance. After you've typed your message, tap the paper airplane icon or the send option next to the text box. This will send the message instantly to your driver. Watch for the driver's response, and you will be good to go. Continue your conversation with the driver to clarify your request or answer any of their questions. Simple, quick, and effective. That's all there is to it. You've just unlocked seamless communication within your Uber ride. Enjoy your ride, and thanks for watching.